I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing. Make sure Wi-Fi is active and you know the Apple ID password. This lets you disable services. Back up now to iCloud or to a computer so nothing gets lost. Once done, open Settings and tap your name at the top to reveal iCloud and account controls. This is where the sign-out process starts. You do this first because removing the account requires account access and disabling linked services like iCloud Drive and Find My iPad. Once inside your Apple ID settings, tap Find My, then Find My iPad and toggle it off. You must enter the Apple ID password to remove activation lock. After that, scroll down and choose which iCloud data, contacts, calendars, Safari should remain on the iPad. Make sure to confirm each prompt. When you tap Sign Out, the device will ask to confirm and remove iCloud data. Wait until the process finishes so cached items are cleared, and the device is no longer tied to your account. To finish, restart the iPad and open Settings to confirm your name is gone from the top. This verifies Sign Out succeeded. If you plan to sell or give away the iPad, make sure you signed out, then go to Settings General Transfer or Reset, erase all content and settings to wipe it clean. If something goes wrong, like a forgotten Apple ID password, use iForget. Apple.com or contact Apple support and be ready with proof of purchase to remove activation lock.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.